tire is worn out, you take a penny. It's a Lincoln penny. It's what most people use. So you just put inside the thread, just inside here, and then if it goes all the way, you see from here, like it goes all the way, your tire is good. Let's try with another tire and see if this works good. So this, I'm gonna try this with this. This is like really worn out. You can see at the top of Abraham Lincoln's. So this tire right here is all worn out. It's all worn out. So you need to replace this one. Yeah. So again, we're gonna try this one too, and see if it's still good. So you take the Lincoln thing back again, and then you just pull like that. So when we check out this, it shows that it's right there. It's on the tip of Lincoln stuff. So that means this one we have to change it. This tire is worn out. You need to change this one. Another thing also to watch for, guys, is when all these threads are gone. You see them, they're all finished up. All these small threads, they're gone. Like you can see, like physical wearing out. It should be just an indicator telling you that it's time to change the tire completely. So thank you for watching. See you guys next time. If you have any question, you can put on the comment section.